I said that per capita income is NPP, net. I said that, what is NPP? Huh? What I said that NNP, not NPP, net national product. Net national product at factor cost upon the total population is talking about per capita income. I said that NNP at factor cost upon, again I said that NNP at factor cost upon the total population. First, if you are watching out, so the country having high per capita income, we can be able to see it is one of the measures of economic development. It is one of the measures of economic development. Now I said that GDP at market price. What is GDP at market price? Yes? Final value of goods and services in a given financial area within a sovereign nation. In a sovereign nation. Understood? So I said that in this one, if I am talking about GDP at market price, it is a simply final value of goods and services in a given financial year for a sovereign nation. And the next one I said that NDP at market price. NDP at market price. Yes? What is net domestic product? Pankaj? Means I said that GDP at market price minus capital consumption allowance. That you can say that depreciation. GDP at market price minus depreciation means capital consumption. Depreciation कैसे होगा? Suppose I have purchased a product that is in one capital, but every year it is in a, what I said that some kind of what is in a value is decreasing, that is known as I said that capital consumption. It can be wear and tear, it can be in a technological improvement in so many ways over the period, and then wear and tear and the technological improvement make it obsolete technology. And the next year the technology comes and then value of the goods decreases. So wear and tear loss plus along with technological upliftment, improvement, that is causing obsolete technology, making I said that capital consumption allowance. And we can be able to get GDP at market price. Next one I said that gross national product at market price. What is the GNP at market price? What is GNP at market price? Huh? GDP at net income from abroad. Yes, same. GDP plus net income from abroad. So it is talking about, if I am talking about national means हमारा national का कितना है? GDP at market price plus net income from abroad. GNP is talking about GDP at market price plus net income from abroad. Now tell me, if I'll talk about for India, in case of India, if I'll talk about GNP will be equals to GDP at market price plus net income from abroad. हमारा किस में जाता है? Negative. Our net income from abroad is what? Negative. So in case of India, GNP is less than GDP. And in case of USA, GNP will be GDP plus net income from abroad will be always, जो उनका export, import and everything will be there, finally it will be in which form? Positive. So GNP will be always greater than their GDP. So can we say that GNP is greater than GDP? So the developed nation has which character? What is the nation of that economically developed? Development of a nation means GNP of the country should be greater than, I said that, GDP. Means this is, I said that, development. Understood? And bringing equality in the society, bringing slowly and slowly equality in the society. But when a nation is having GDP greater than GNP, इसका मतलब कि अभी भी lots of infrastructural development is not there. Yes or not? Infrastructural development. Yes, tell me, infrastructural development is what? What is happening right now? That the government is doing lots of infrastructural, I said that, investment. Since last BJP government, then Congress, then again there is an, I said that, infrastructure again, then there is lots of infrastructural development. So क्या हुआ? Yes, tell me, infrastructural development, so what happened? You can be able to see, one, there is an employment growth has been seen. Employment growth has been seen, that the dependency on the agricultural sector has been reduced, and that has, what is a drag population towards to improve into employment, in which the labor force has been come into which sector? I said that infrastructural development. So to some extent we have increased and also reduced pressure from farmer and agricultural sector. Another, understood? If I said that if I am doing infrastructural development over the period, because of this our, I said that, other manufacturing industry will help in the growth. So infrastructural development, if we know that infrastructural development led to the increase in employment, but employment and this infrastructure will help in the increasing manufacturing industry over the period, because it will be act as a facilitator. And then when they increase, then what have happened, automatically it will increase employment, and I said that increase the reserve for the world, and so many impact it will create. So right now we are in the process, our GDP is, what is, I said that, more, but still GNP is less, लेकिन हम लोग धीरे धीरे इधर की ओर बढ़ रहे हैं. We are, what is a developing nation like India, they are investing more on infrastructure, they are investing more on infrastructural development. Infrastructural development is reducing the pressure on agriculture, and then employment providing. Later on, this infrastructure will help in the, what is an improvement in the manufacturing industry. And when there will be more in manufacturing industrial growth will be there, it means, I said that, it means it will increase the employment. Yes, it will increase the more export rather than the import. So finally, this time the world is saying India is moving toward this. India is moving. If the Modi has talked about, but you are not able to see that the manufacturing industry ke liye, these are the basic infrastructure development we need, and that cannot be possible without this. Now, whether it is anything, government incentives, government investment, private investment, private public partnership, whatever it is happening, it can be able to grow only when we are able to provide this. तो अभी हमारा क्या है, our GDP in the country, developing nation में क्या होता है, and it is this kind, and less developed or I said underdeveloped में क्या होगा, GDP is far greater than GNP. So we can be able to understand with the help of GDP, NDP, that what the nation is, and then GNP, and all are giving us a criteria about understanding of the nation, health and wealth. Yes or not? Nation's health and wealth. So we have talked about GNP at market price, and the developed nation will always have GNP greater than GDP. Next one, I said that net national product at market price, and that is determining, I said that GNP at market price plus NIA, net income from abroad, minus capital consumption allowance, and NP at market price, net national product at market price. ये तो हम लोगों ने क्या देखा, मार्केट प्राइस के लेवल पर, मीन्स नेट इनकम फ्रॉम अब्रॉड, एंड देन वी कैन बी एबल टू सी, सॉरी, GDP at market price plus net income from abroad minus NIA, or you can say this one as a GNP. जब भी net income from abroad is there, it means national product, nation health comes, understood? And this is actually the nation health and wealth, understood? But to know much more, actually we need to know factor cost. So we need to know GDP at factor cost, NDP at factor cost, GNP at factor cost, and NNP at factor cost. What is factor cost? GDP at factor cost? Net indirect tax, GDP at market price minus net indirect tax. Yeah. Suppose I have purchased a pen from the market. So the 15 rupees में हमने purchase किया, that becomes market price. It become what? Market price, 15 rupees. And government has 15 rupees, what I said that? Market price. अब मुझे factor cost निकालना है, लेकिन इस 15 rupees में government has taken indirect tax rupees of 5. 5 rupees क्या लिया हुआ है government ने? Indirect tax. So I will subtract indirect tax. क्योंकि आप जो भी यूज करते हो उसमें indirect tax is involved, and how much it is? So what is the factor cost? 10 rupees now. If I am subtracting indirect tax, it is becoming what? 10 rupees. Now, after that, but the government says that being a student, I am going to give some subsidy. I am going to give some subsidy on the pen, and finally, इस 15 rupees में क्या है? सब्सिडी भी इन्वॉल्व है. सब्सिडी मीन्स ही इज गोइंग टू, गवर्नमेंट इज गोइंग टू गिव मनी फ्रॉम हिज पॉकेट. So that become, I said that 15 minus 3, and it will become 12 rupees. So the actual factor cost of the product is what? 12 rupees, not 15 rupees. तो इसका मतलब क्या होगा? Just tell me 15, we can do minus, यहाँ पर रखेंगे plus subsidy. If I'll take the minus outside, it will be indirect tax plus में हो जाएगा, और माइनस सब्सिडी. तो प्लस है तो माइनस अंदर रखेंगे, माइनस माइनस प्लस सब्सिडी, इनडायरेक्ट टैक्स माइनस सब्सिडी. सो एक्चुअल में 15 माइनस 5 माइनस 3, 5 was indirect tax and government is giving 2 rupees as a subsidy. So net indirect tax was what? 3. So what is the net indirect tax? Indirect tax minus subsidy. Indirect tax minus subsidy. The government is giving us what? 5 rupees indirect tax they are taking, and subsidy is this 2 rupees. The finally he is taking 3 rupees as an what? Net indirect tax. So better to say factor cost क्या होता है? What is factor cost? Factor cost is market price minus indirect tax minus subsidy in the bracket. It means market price minus net indirect tax. So what is the GDP at factor cost? GDP at factor cost will be what? GDP at market price minus net indirect tax. What is NDP at factor cost? So NDP at market price minus net indirect tax. And GNP at factor cost, it means GNP at market price minus net indirect tax. And what is NNP at factor cost? NNP at market price minus net indirect tax, and this is our national income. So the national income is what? NNP at factor cost. And NNP at factor cost, and then per capita income will be NNP at factor cost upon population. So this is your national income. Understood? So what are the economic measures that determine the development of a nation or a country? First, it is an average per capita income. Another, I said that GDP understanding. What is the GDP of that country? High or low? If the country GDP is high, it is developed country. Next one, we have to see NDP, that we have to understand at market price and at factor cost. And GNP, gross national product, means I said that it is the total final value, it is in a final value of goods, but I said that GNP, it is by including NIA,